Picture this. You're scrolling through your phone and suddenly SpaceX is everywhere. Your Twitter feed, your Reddit, your YouTube homepage, your group chat. Everyone is talking about it. SpaceX just went public, and for a lot of people, the reaction is immediate. How do I buy it? How much should I put in? Is it too late? And look, I get it. SpaceX is one of the most exciting companies on the planet. Rockets, satellites, Mars missions, Elon Musk, the hype is real. But here's the thing nobody in your group chat is telling you. The moment a company goes public is historically one of the worst times to buy it. And if you don't understand why, you could make a very expensive mistake in the next few days. My name is Jack, and in this video, we're going to cut through the noise and break down the actual smart money move when a massive IPO like SpaceX hits the market. If you want to make better investing decisions and stop letting hype control your money, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. Let's start with something most people don't know. IPOs have a terrible track record for everyday investors. Not for the insiders. Not for the institutional funds. For regular people, like you and me, who see the headlines and want a piece of the action. Here's the data. According to research from the University of Florida, the average IPO underperforms the market by about 20% over its first 3 years. Let that sink in. The average new public company loses ground compared to just buying a simple index fund over the same period. And it gets worse. A study from Harvard Business Review found that on average, IPO stocks drop significantly within the first 90 days after listing. The initial excitement drives the price up on day one. Then reality sets in. And the people who bought at the peak are left holding a loss. Now you might be thinking, okay, Jack, but SpaceX isn't some random startup. This is SpaceX. This is different. And that's exactly the mindset that gets people hurt. Here's what most people don't realize. Every massive IPO in history felt different at the time. Facebook went public in 2012 at $38 per share. Within 3 months, it had dropped to $17. People who bought on day one lost more than half their money in 90 days. Uber went public in 2019. It dropped immediately and took years to recover. Rivian launched with one of the biggest IPOs in history. It's lost over 90% of its value since then. These weren't small unknown companies. These were the SpaceX of their time. Everyone was excited. Everyone wanted in. And most people who rushed to buy on day one got burned. So what's the smart move? Before you invest a single dollar in any IPO, there are 3 questions you need to ask yourself. Question 1. Do I understand how this company actually makes money right now? Not in the future. Right now. SpaceX generates revenue through government contracts, Starlink subscriptions, and commercial launches. But it has never been a publicly traded company before. That means no public earnings history, no quarterly reports for investors to analyze, no track record as a public stock. You're essentially flying blind on valuation. And when you can't value a company properly, you're not investing. You're guessing. Question 2. Am I buying because of data or because of emotion? Be honest with yourself here. If the main reason you want SpaceX stock is because everyone is talking about it, that's FOMO. Fear of missing out. And FOMO is one of the most expensive emotions in investing. The best investors in the world make decisions based on data, earnings, valuation, and long-term fundamentals. Not because something is trending on social media. Question 3. Can I afford to hold this for 5 to 10 years without touching it? IPO volatility is brutal in the short term. If you need this money in 2 years, or if watching your investment drop 30% would cause you to panic sell, SpaceX stock is not for you right now. Investing in a new public company requires patience and emotional discipline most people underestimate. So here's the actual smart move right now. Whether you decide to buy SpaceX or skip it, the real opportunity isn't in the stock itself. It's in what this moment teaches you about your investing behavior. Here's what disciplined investors are doing while everyone else panics. They're doing nothing different. They're sticking to their plan. They're continuing to invest consistently in diversified index funds that don't rely on one company, one CEO, or one rocket launch going well. Because here's the truth about wealth building. The people who build real long-term wealth almost never do it by catching the hot IPO at the right moment. They do it through boring, consistent, disciplined investing over long periods of time. Now you might be thinking, but Jack, what if SpaceX absolutely moons and I miss out on a 10 times return? Fair question. Here's the honest answer. It might. Some IPOs do perform incredibly well long-term. Amazon, Google, Apple. If you had bought and held through the volatility, you'd be very happy today. But for every Amazon, there are dozens of Rivians, dozens of WeWorks, dozens of companies that never recovered. The odds are not in your favor on day one. If you want exposure to SpaceX, the smarter play is to wait. Watch the first 2 to 3 earnings reports. See how the market prices it after the initial hype settles. Then make a decision based on real data, not excitement. Let's bring it all together. SpaceX going public is exciting, but excitement is not an investing strategy. Before you buy any IPO, ask yourself 3 questions. Do I understand how this company makes money right now? Am I buying based on data or emotion? Can I hold this for 5 to 10 years without panic selling? And if you're not sure about the answers, the smart move is simple. Stick to your plan. Keep investing consistently. Let the hype settle, and make your decision from a place of clarity, not FOMO. Because here's the truth most people learn the hard way. Missing a hot IPO never ruined anyone's financial future. But chasing hype with money you can't afford to lose absolutely has. If this video helped you think more clearly about the SpaceX IPO, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And I want to know, are you planning to buy SpaceX stock or are you going to wait it out? Let me know in the comments.